Welcome guys. In this video I'll show you how to multiply any 2-digit number by 11 and also how to multiply any 3-digit number by 11. So let's take example 1. 54 times 11. You take the first digit, which is 5, leave a space and then write the last digit, which is 4. Then you add the 2 digits together. So 5 plus 4 gives you 9. So the answer for 54 times 11 is 594. Example 2. Let's say 62 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 6, leave a space and then write the last digit, which is 2. Then you add the 2 digits together. So 6 plus 2 gives you 8. So the answer for 62 times 11 is 682. Example 3. Let's say 67 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 6. Write the last digit, which is 7. When you add the 2 digits together, you get 13. You can write this 13 here. So what you need to do is write only the 3. Okay. Then the remainder, which is 1, you add it to 6 to give you 7. So the answer for 67 times 11 is 737. Example 4. Let's say 95 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 9. Leave a space and then write the last digit, which is 5. 9 plus 5 gives you 14. So what you do is to write the 4 only. Then the remainder, which is 1, you add it to the 9 to give you 10. So you change the 9 to 10. So that is 1045. So let's take the last example. Example 5. Let's say 89 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 8, leave a space and then write the last digit, which is 9. So 8 plus 9 gives you 17, isn't it? So you write a 7 only. The remainder, which is 1, you add it to the 8 to give you 9. So 89 times 11 is 979. So let's go to the second one, which is how to multiply 3-digit number by 11. So example 1. Let's say 342 times 11. To do this, you write the first digit, which is 3, leave 2 spaces, and then write the last digit, which is 2. After that, you take the middle digit and add it to the last digit. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. And also take the middle digit and add it to the first digit. So 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So the answer for this is 3762. Example 2. 571 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 5, and then write the last digit, which is 2. Make sure you leave 2 spaces between. Then 7 plus 1 gives you 8, isn't it? So you write the 8 beside us. Then 7 plus 5 gives you what? It gives you 12. So you can write the entire 12 here. So you need to write 2. Then the remainder, which is 1, you add it to the 5 to give you 6. So 571 times 11 is 6,281. Example 3. 689 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 6, leave 2 spaces and then write the last digit, which is 9. So 8 plus 9 gives you what? 17, isn't it? Don't write the entire 17. You only write the 7 and then keep the 1. So then you add the middle number to the 6. So 8 plus 6 gives you 14. When you add a 14 to this one, it gives you 15. So you need to write only the 5, and then the remainder one you add it to the 6 to give you 7. So 689 times 11 is 7,579. Example 4. 552 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 5, and then write the last digit, which is 2, leaving 2 spaces with them. So 5 plus 2 gives you what? 7. So you write it beside the 2. Then 5 plus 5 gives you what? 10. You can't write the entire 10 here, so you need to write 0 only. And the remainder one, you add it to the 5 to give you 6. So that's 6,072. Okay. Now let's take the last example, 5. Let's say 887 times 11. You write the first digit, which is 8, okay. Then you leave 2 spaces and write the last digit, which is 7. Then you take the middle digit and add it to the 7 first. So 8 plus 7 gives you what? 15, right? So you write the 5 only and keep the remainder 1. Then you also take the middle digit and add it to the 8. So 8 plus 8 gives you 16. When you add the remainder 1 to it, it gives you 17, right? So you write 7 here, remainder 1. So you add the remainder to the 8 to give you 9. So that is 9,757. So we end it here. Thank you.